Good day, everyone. I am Jaya Milagrosa, and today I will discuss about the statement of the research problem. So, first, we need to know what is a problem statement. So, a problem statement is a statement of a current issue or problem that requires timely action to improve the situation. So, this statement concisely explains the barrier the current problem places between a functional process and or product and the current problematic state of affairs. So this statement is completely objective. So focusing only on the facts of the problem and leaving out any subjective opinions. To make this easier, it's recommended that you ask who, what, when, where, and why to create the structure for your problem statement. So this will also make it easier to create and read and makes the problem at hand more comprehensible and therefore solvable. So the problem statement, in addition to defining a pressing issue, is a lead in to a proposal of a timely effective solution. So why is a problem statement important? So a problem statement is a communication tool. Problem statements are important to businesses, individuals, and other entities to develop projects focused on improvement. So, whether the problem is pertaining to badly needed roadwork or the logistic for an island construction project, a clear, concise problem statement is typically used by a project's team to help define and understand the problem and develop possible solutions. So, these statements also provide important information that is crucial in decision making in relation to this project or processes. So problem statements have multiple purposes. So the problem statement has other purposes too. One is to identify and explain the problem in a concise but detailed way to give the reader a comprehensive view of what's going on. This includes identifying who the problem impacts, what the impacts are, where the problem occurs, and why and when it needs to be fixed. So, another purpose of the problem statement is to clarify what the expected outcomes are. So, establishing what the desired situation would look like helps provide an overarching idea about the project. So, the proposed solution and scope and goals of the solution are made clear through this statement. So, problem statements help guide projects. The problem statements provides a guide for navigating the project once it begins. So, it is continually referenced throughout the duration of the project to help the team remain focused and on track. Near the completion of the project, this statement is again referred to in order to verify the solution has been implemented as stated and that it does not indeed solve the initial problem. So this can help in making sure the proper steps are being taken to prevent the same problem from happening again in the future. So let's bear in mind that the problem statement does not attempt to define the solution, nor does it outline the methods of arriving at the solution. So the problem statement is a statement that initiates the process by recognizing the problem. Problem statements often have three elements. First, the problem itself, stated clearly and with enough contextual detail to establish why it is important. Two, the method of solving the problem, often stated as a claim of a working thesis. Three, the purpose statement of objective and scope of the project being proposed. This element should be brief so that the reader does not get lost. One page is enough for a statement problem. So, criteria for research problem statements. So, the statement of the problem should clearly indicate what is to be investigated. So, the actual statement may be in a declarative or in a question form. So, the statement should indicate the variables of interest and the specific relationship between the variables that are to be studied. And that's all. Thank you.